Hello students, today we are going to start the hydrocarbon chapters. So let us have a look over it student. That is, this is the hydrocarbon and we need to understand the meaning of hydrocarbon. Okay, so this is the hydrocarbon. Let us have a look over it student. So when you talk about the hydrocarbon term, it is made up of two terms student. I know hydrocarbon is made up of two terms. First term is that is hydro. Okay, this is the hydro and second term is that is the carbon. And together what is that is hydro plus carbon. If you combine student, that is coming, that is hydrocarbon. This is hydrocarbon. Now student, in this hydrocarbon what I need to understand that they are the compound of hydrocarbon. We can define this, that is hydrocarbon, they are the compound of hydrocarbon and hydrogen. They are the compound of carbon and hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. Okay, student. So if you talk about the compound of and hydrogen, student, there are so many types are there for the compound. There are so many types of carbon and hydrogen compounds are there. So let us have a look over it, student. What are the types of the example of carbon and hydrogen? For example, suppose we are having the CH4. This compound is known as what, student? That is methane. Okay, this compound is known as methane. Now in this compound, what are the elements are there, student? That is, one element is carbon and another elements are there hydrogen. Suppose we are having C2H6, student. This is also known as ethane. So if you talk about this one constituent element, one is the carbon, this is C, and another is the hydrogen. If you talk about the student classification, they are classified into the many categories, student, hydrocarbon. If you talk about the classification, so hydrocarbons are classified into mostly three categories. So we are writing here is classification of hydrocarbon. So dear student, when we are talking about the classification of hydrocarbon, so there are three types are there, student. First one is saturated hydrocarbon, student. Saturated. Okay, and another is, basically you say that is two type, not three types, student. Better you say that is two type, right? So this is one type, and another type is that is unsaturated. Okay, if you're talking about unsaturated hydrocarbon, student, so unsaturated are again classified into two categories. Okay, or three categories. First one is, let us have a look over it. First one is, that is where is, student, alkenes. Another is alkynes, and last one is that is aromatic hydrocarbon. Aromatic hydrocarbon. And this is what saturated means, student. If you're talking about the saturated hydrocarbon, saturated is alkanes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbon. So dear student, when you talk about this, they are having the general formulas are there, student. So general formula is there for this one alkanes. It is that is CnH2n plus 2, and here is what, CnH2n, and here is, student, CnH2n minus 2. Here is no formula. This is not having formula. For different compound there is a different formula is there. Okay, so dear student, when you are talking about saturated, so saturated hydrocarbon, let us have a look over it in detail, student. What is meaning of saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbon. So student, when you are talking about saturated carbon hydrocarbon, so if all the four valency, you know, if all the four valency, you know, student, if you talk about, if all the four valency of carbon is completed by what, student? All the four valency of carbon is completed by, student, if all the four valency of carbon is completed by single bond. Okay, it is single bond, student. So that is what single bond. Then it is known as what, student? Then it is known as what? Known as it is known as saturated hydrocarbon. It is known as saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. So, for example, if what is meaning of this, student? What we are saying, if all the four valency, we are saying that is, if all the four valency are completed by, all the four valency is completed by single bond, then it is known as saturated hydrocarbon. So let us have a look over it, student. How can you be able to understand the saturated hydrocarbon in more profound way, student? So the best example of saturated hydrocarbon are the best example of saturated hydrocarbons are alkanes. Okay, alkanes. So alkanes, they are having ANE. Anes. Anes means what, student? That is single bond. Anes means single bonds. And now, student, if there is single bond, for them there is formula is there, CnH2n plus 2. So CnH2n plus 2, it implies that what, student? It implies that that is n is the number 1 to 1 to n number. Okay, 1 to n number. So suppose if n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, so what is there? C1H2 into 1 plus 2. So what is coming, student? CH4. And for one carbon, we are using the term meth. Single bond is there, methane. So here if you see the structure, this is coming like that. Hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. Here is hydrogen. And this is also hydrogen. So this is what is the, student? Single bond. All the four valency of carbon is satisfied by single bond. That is what is known as methane. Now let us have a look, student. Suppose if you are having the n is equal to 2, if you n is equal to 2, so CnH2 n plus 2, you put out the value, so it is C2H2 into 2 plus 2. So how much is coming, student? C2H6. C2H6. So let us have a structure over it, student. Since it is saturated, so its structure will be like that. It is hydrogen, it is hydrogen, it is hydrogen, it is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. So all are single bond, all are single bond. So this is what? Saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, and now, student, if we talk about, hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon. Now if you are talking about the name, so two carbon is there, so eth, and single bond is there, ethane. Okay, so this is the saturated hydrocarbon. Similarly, we have to go over the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, unsaturated hydrocarbon. So how can you be able to understand unsaturated hydrocarbon? Let us have a look over it, student. Okay, so we are going to talk about the unsaturated hydrocarbon. So let us have a look over it, student. That is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. So whenever you are talking about unsaturated hydrocarbon, So in case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, student, in case of unsaturated hydrocarbon, all the four valency, all the four valency, all the four valency of hydrocarbon, all the four valency of hydrocarbon is not satisfied by, is not satisfied by, what student, not satisfied by single bond, satisfied by single bond. It means what, student? It means what? That is, in the hydrocarbon, in the hydrocarbon, okay, in the hydrocarbon, there is what, student? In the hydrocarbon, there must be, what must be, student? There must be at least one, at least one, okay, carbon double bond, double bond is known as, at least one carbon carbon double bond is known as what, student? Is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon, is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so if the at least one is there, so this is what is known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Let us try to understand, student, what is the formula, how to derive the unsaturated hydrocarbon, that we want to understand. So let us have a look over it, student. So here we are talking about example. So its formula for unsaturated hydrocarbon, student, this is the CnH2n minus 2. Okay. So suppose we are having, that is, n is equal to 2. Okay, n is equal to 2. So C2H2 into 2 minus 2. So it will come C2. Okay. Here unsaturated means, unsaturated, there are two categories are there, student. First one is there alkene. For in case of alkene, in case of alkene, we are having CnH2n. So this is alkene. Okay, so C2 and H, what will be there, student? If you see, C2 and H4 will be there, student. C2 and H4, this is alkene. Now see the structure, C double bond C, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, and this side hydrogen, this is. So this is two carbon, carbon is there, eth, okay, and single bond is there, student, ethene, right? And similarly there will be alkyne also. Okay, alkyne, if we talk about the alkynes, student, alkynes, so what are the alkynes? CnH2n minus 2. Okay, CnH2n minus 2. So that is n is equal to 2. So what is C2H2 into 2 minus 2? So it will be C2H2. So structure will be C triple bond C, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen. So this is what, student, this will be the ethyne. Two carbon means eth, and triple bond is there, ine. What are the example of hydrocarbon, student? Most of the fuel are the hydrocarbon. Like that we are using the coal, student, and petroleum are there. They all fuels are hydrocarbon. Like for we are having LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, a domestic fuel that causes, causes the least pollution. That is what we are using. CNG, compressed natural gas. These are also, we are using. So if you talk about the classification, here is the detail is there, student. Classification, that is, of hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons are classified into the aliphatic, hydrocarbon, and aromatic hydrocarbon. So aliphatic hydrocarbons are there, open chain hydrocarbon, student, open chain. So saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, you can see. So and another is there, student, aromatic hydrocarbon, the compound containing at least one benzene ring or cyclocompounds which obey Huckel rule are aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, so dear students, here you see the first type of hydrocarbon are what, there, student, alkanes. Okay, so alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbon. General formula is CnH2n. Okay, RRH or RCH3, RCH3 n time. Okay, R. So this is there. Okay, now student, if you talk about the nomenclature, so how we will study the nomenclature? We will try to study nomenclature in the different video, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.